Today, we'll show you how to customize a live watch face on your Venu. Live watch faces are animated watch faces that illuminate when the watch face is active. One thing to note is, enabling a live watch face will require the battery to be charged more often. To customize your watch to show a live watch face, first access the menu by pressing and holding the bottom button. Touch Watch Face. You can swipe through and see preloaded watch face options. Any watch face option with a circular icon at the bottom will be a live watch face. To see more options and create custom watch faces, select the green plus icon. Then swipe to select a background. To set a live watch face, choose an option with the circular icon at the bottom. Then swipe over to select an analog or digital option. Swipe up and down to see all the choices. After you have selected a digital or analog display, you can swipe over to select an accent color. Analog watch faces allow you to customize data displayed on the watch. You can add icons such as steps, battery level, the date, and many more. Select an area of the screen to customize, and then swipe to view the options and make a selection. Lastly, swipe over to select time markers. Swiping up or down will scroll through the available options. Press the Start button when you are done customizing the watch. And that's it! You will now see your live watch face on your Venu. For more videos on setting up and using your Venu, visit the Venu page at support.garmin.com.